Welcome, here I've got Niteo Tools Titan and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar. From the left we are in the general settings. At the center we have the advanced photo settings, so let's stay here. And let's slide a little bit down. Now let's pick the preview size. And here we can change the ratio of this camera. Now it's 4:3, the standard one. We can pick also the full screen. And as you can see at the background, the ratio has changed. So this is how to manage this. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.